Your next car could be the 2016 BMW 5 Series. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, premium sound system. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.